Fibercore on-site paper services, fibercoreops.com. This video demonstrates the use of Fibercore's mobile roll wrapper pre-wrap station. The large master roll is loaded onto the roll wrapper for measurement. The roll is secured into place. It is then lifted into the air approximately 1 inch. A measuring wheel is lowered in order to determine the circumference of the paper roll. Another machine is used to make the pre-cut for the wrapper. A technician advances the paper and attaches it to a spooler. The length for the roll circumference is preset into the wrap cutter. The technician controls the spooling with the foot pedal, but the machine will stop automatically when the pre-measured length is achieved. The technician then manually cuts the wrap, tapes it for handling, and removes the wrap from the spooler for later application. Thank you for watching.